How to delete your Alibaba account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can delete your Alibaba account. For that, you first of all want to open up any web browser in your laptop or PC. Then, you want to search for alibaba.com. Here, you want to click on this profile icon and first of all sign into your account. Once you have been signed in using all of your credentials, you want to click on the option of My Alibaba. Once you're on this page, click on the Help option and click on Help Center. On Help Center, you want to search for How do I cancel my membership? Here, there is the option of Delete your account on the second option. It says that if you want to delete your account information permanently from alibaba.com, you can click Privacy Policy to submit your request. Or if you have the Alibaba app, you can click on the settings and click on Delete Account from App to submit your request. Now, go ahead and click on the option of Privacy Policy. Here it says the request to delete your account is final and cannot be undone. Before you click on the delete account option, make sure you go through all of this. Now click on the delete account option. Here it says that if you delete your account, it will not be possible for you to recover your personal data. If you want to still go ahead with the account deletion, enter delete on this box. Then click on the delete account option. Once you do that, the process to delete your account will be started and your account will no longer be accessible. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.